Hey everybody, it is Beauty Mama and today is Thursday and we're doing our Ipsy's late. Yes, I got my Ipsy today and I've been really busy, so I was not had a chance to do it till tonight. But yes, as you can tell, I did cut my hair. It's short, it's supposed to be like one of those A-line bobs, but I ended up just doing this. My husband did help me and he did actually really good. I did trimming by myself and everything, so I always end up having my own little hairstylist in my house, which is really nice. And I prefer short hair over long hair, honestly. It's easier to work with, in my opinion. So let's get on with this, okay? So first things first, they are sticking with this light pink Ipsy style bag, which I prefer this one. Well, it's kind of like a peach pink. And so I'm pulling items out, and there is also already an item inside the bag. And this is the item that I did choose. It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. And it's a sample size, which is kind of disappointing because I thought it was gonna be a little bigger. Hold on, let's see. Oh, that's cute. Oh Lord, sorry y'all. The light's so ridiculous. And then like literally that's the bottom. So there's not that much in it at all. It's for all types, all skin types, and transforming moisturizing super cream for anti-aging armor, rejuvenating concentrate. Let's see, what's this about? I didn't even read about it honestly when I picked it. I just picked it. Anti-aging and skin loving super cermated. I cannot pronounce words today. Complex peptide infused collagen hyaluronic acid. Woo! Antioxidants rich, something oatmeal, quick absorbing, and hypoallergenic and allergy tested. So you got that. It's cute. So this bag is cute, and what is this, a leopard or a cheetah print? I can't think of it. God. So baggy. Maybe this eye cream might come in handy. So yeah, it feels like fake pleather. Has a bronze Ipsy logo. Has a brown, yeah, like a light brown tassel. It's cute. It has like that, what color is that? You see on rings a lot. It's like that peach or champagne color zipper, which goes with it, so that makes it really pretty. And has brown silk on the inside, which is really cute. So let's pull out the card. I already know what our first item is, obviously. And it is the Wild Side. So November 2019, this month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you might find the most authentic version of you. And so here's the items. And on the back of it says, let's get into the festive. Let's get festive. Get your calendars ready. We're bringing out every bell, whistle, bag, and lipstick for a full lineup of gifting events this holiday season. It's about to get wild. On November 25th is Choice Day. Today's the day you can pick the first project in your bag. We'll build the rest around it. While you're there, snag our Ipsy exclusive gift set. Win-win. On November 29th is Black Friday. I can't wait for that. Oh my gosh. Okay, Black Friday, November 29th. So all you Ipsters out there, set that date on your calendar. You've given thanks, now give yourself something epic. Our limited edition 6-item mystery bag goes on sale, but act quick, they fly fast. And December 2nd is Cyber Monday add-ons. I'm sorry if you guys hear that in the background. My husband's watching Parks and Recreation, which has been a show that we've kind of been watching. We're almost on the last season. So December 12th is Cyber Monday add-ons. Or December 2nd, I'm sorry. Every second of the month are add-ons. So choose from like the $3 sample ones, or since the bag's gone up in prices, I think it was like $14 now for like the full-size products. But it says December 2nd is Cyber Monday add-ons. Best Monday ever. Buy 2 add-ons and get a free sample or a $3 off a full-size product. So buy 2, get 1 free sample or $3 off on a full-size product, which that is awesome. we are gonna go in with first rubber thing, I feel, not rubber, bubble wrap. Wander Beauty Wanderous Glow Highlighter in After Hours. I'm gonna read this while I'm pulling this out. It says the single highlighter, oh, it is taped. Why are you taped? The single highlighter from the cruelty-free Wander Beauty is an Ipsy exclusive that delivers a long-lasting, soft, radiant glow to your complexion. Enriched with sunflower seed oil and chamomile seed oil, this glowy powder hydrates and soothes your skin upon contact. So apply directly to the high points of your face for an instant glow. Apply to the inner corners of your eyes for an added brightening effect. And depending on this, ooh, okay, so I might actually keep this. I don't have enough. If it was a blush, I probably honestly would give it in a giveaway because I got too many blushes. So this Wander Beauty and Wondrous Glow is what it says right here on the bottom. You flip it open. It has this pretty kind of packaging. Oh, and my finger just ran through it. It says After Hours, so we're gonna go in and just swatch it already because whoopsie, got long fingernails. So it gives off this champagne color. You can see that obviously. That is pretty. It's really pigmented. It comes off a lot. And you might have to brush it a couple times. I like that. It's actually really cute. It gives it that little shine that you need and you want. I'm not big on like the full on glow. I'm not. That's not me. It does leave a residue on your fingers once you're done. But I like that. That's actually cute. But yeah, it's pretty. I like that. Okay. Next, we are going to pull out a Bogashi eye shader brush. I was already started to pull it out. And it is for the under eye. So, under eye, it has a matte feel to it. It's actually really nice. A brush for all season crease subtle smoky eyes look with this versatile eye shader that's densely packed to press on cream and powder pigments and blend them smoothly. The curved tapered tip is great for concealing dark spots under eyes, plus it's cruelty free. So I guess this is great for if you have one of those shader eyes for, you know, discoloration in your, underneath your eye bags and everything, you want to fix it. It's good for like that, or, you know, just under eye. And also, since it's so packed and small, it'd be good for like the eyebrow highlight as well, or maybe like the contouring of your nose, whatever you choose. So it is all packed. Let's test it out, see if there's anything that falls out. No, it doesn't fall out. So that's nice, really small. So I like that. I will use that because all I have honestly are the eye pencils. So those get a little hassle sometimes when I'm trying to do my under eye. 2 more items. And I honestly was excited to get this because I already have a Nomad in a highlight form. And now I have a Nomad Cosmetics Cindy Bathers Kiss of the Sun bronzer and contour palette in Manly Beach, which I am excited about. So we'll see. So here it is. Same packaging as my other one. And I'll show you what I mean. So obviously you can't tell the difference. The backs are the same colors and part of it, except this one is my highlight and this is the contouring and bronzer. So let me open it. Gosh, that was so hard to open. Okay. So as you can tell, here's the bronzer and here's the highlight. It has like a more pink shimmer to it. So that's what I mean. Sorry. So this is the color. It's like it kind of matches the bag if I have to give it a matching color. We're gonna go in and swatch it. Oh, it feels so soft. It's really soft and creamy. Comes off like a obviously bronzer and contouring part. And it comes off really good, so it's really pigmented. Little obviously will go a long way. I honestly, I have no complaints of it so far. I like it. It's just the only problem I have now is literally trying to get it open. I have to like work at it. So we got that. And the last item is a Gigi Gorgeous, which is the collaboration with Ipsy. Lately Ipsy has been doing collaborations with famous makeup artists. And got it. And so I've actually been really cool. I thought that was really cool. I hope they continue it. I'm already seeing what next month's bag looks like, and it's really pretty. I was kind of hoping they would go with the, you know, Winter Wonderland theme. So it's all up to them. Kind of like how they went with Betty Boop instead of Halloween theme on October. But this is a Gigi Gorgeous Less is More lip gloss. Get into it. And it has this beautiful sheen to it. I don't know if it's like just a lip gloss, like a topper, or if it can be worn as both. But so far, I've heard great reviews of Gigi Gorgeous contouring duo bronzer and contour palette, and her blushes. Some of her lips are okay, is what I've been told. I've been hearing people talk about how they're sticky when they're matte, and a lot of people don't go for the sticky mattes. Honestly, I don't. So I guess that's why she has lip glosses. But this is really cute packaging. It's pink label or purple labels with like a gold gorgeous wording. It literally says gorgeous. I don't know. It's like that matte feel, like matte on this one as well. I'm sorry. So yeah. See how the applicator is. So it's like a regular kind of dome applicator. It has that sticky feeling, but that's what it is. I have to wash my sweater anyways. It's really soft. I like it. Not much, but it can be worn as is. It's actually not that bad. I like it so far. But yeah, that's my items. Nothing really dramatic about it. Simple, I guess. The only full item we have is the lip gloss and the brush. I don't know if the Nomad comes in its own little bigger pot one, but we got Wonder Beauty. Oh, Jesus Christ. Why am I being such a klutz today? Oh my god. Okay. So we got Wonder Beauty highlighter palette, or highlight shade, Gigi Gorgeous lip gloss, a under eye shader brush, contouring and bronzer from Nomad, and then we got the It Cosmetics anti-aging cream, Confidence in a Cream, which I'm gonna be trying that out because I'll be taking a shower after this. So, but yeah, I actually like everything. I'm gonna try to pick good products next month, hopefully. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you for taking the time out of your night to even watch this. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, tell me what you guys got in your bag, if any of it was the same, or if you got something completely different from like Gigi Gorgeous. But yeah, I hope you guys loved the video, like I said. I hope you had a great day today, and I'll catch you guys on my next video, okay? So don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell to stay tuned for my next videos. I love you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.